Hi my wonderful traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So in today's video I am going to be trading with the support and resistance levels. This means that today I'll be showing you how to use technical analysis to make very good profit. So I'm going to be looking at how prices are approaching different levels on the market, how prices are approaching the support levels, the resistance levels, and other patterns on the market before opening a trade. And I'm hoping I'm able to hit my goal for the day, which is around $7,000 to $8,000. I'm going to be starting with an initial deposit of $170. So stay tuned until the end of the video to see if I hit my goal. I'm sure you will like today's strategy and you can be able to use it in your own trades. Let me find my first entry point and explain it to you. So here I can see a very interesting situation and I'm going to explain it to you. Here you can see from the support line, the price bounced up and moves higher. So here I want to open a trade down for 2 minutes because I can see that now the price is lower than the previous high point, and here the price has reversed and showed a very good downward movement. It touched this line 2 times already, and all these moments signal that the price has a good downside potential, and I believe that in this zone we'll see a reversal of the price and it's gonna move lower, and on this movement down I'll try and make very good profit. Let me wait for the end of this trade. So guys, before I continue, I would like to tell you about my private chat in Telegram channel. In this private chat you can learn a lot about binary trading because I post news about binary trading in this chat, as well as post my trading signals there that you can use to make very good profit. You can also interact with the other members of the group. If you would like to join, go under this video in the description box. You'll find a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. This is very excellent. You can see the price shows a slight movement down in this trade and close lower than the entry point, and thus I was able to get very good profit here. So this is a very good start. Let me continue. So here I can see the very good upward movement and the price is bouncing down. Here I'm going to open an up trade for 2 minutes because there is room towards the resistance level line and the price minimum points are becoming higher. The price moves quite impulsively, and all these moments signal that the price has a very good upside potential, and I think that very soon the price will continue moving up due to this uptrend and to be approaching this level line. I'm hoping that 2 minutes for this type of movement will be enough. Let me wait for the results. This is quite good, friends. You can see that the price shows a very good upward movement and it touched the resistance level, and even despite the slight pullback down, my trade was able to close higher than my entry point, and that's here I made a very good profit. Let me continue and find more situations. So here I can see a very good upward movement and I'm going to open a trade up for 2 minutes because there is room towards the resistance level, and you can see that the price lows are becoming higher. The price approached this zone several times. So here I can see the squeezing of the level, and I believe that very soon the price will show movement up and be approaching this level line. So now let me see how this trade will close. So my dearest traders, I have noticed that a lot of you aren't yet subscribed to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel because it really supports my channel, and also don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment down below and share these videos. This is quite interesting because you can see that the price moves up and this trade brought me a very confident profit. So I was able to make very good money here and this was a good situation. Let me continue. So here I can see that the next price moves up. That's why I want to open an up trade for 2 minutes because I can see the price will be moving higher, and now the price is going beyond this resistance line, but earlier it bounced down from it several times, and you can see the very impulsive green candlesticks, and all these moments signal that the price has a good upside potential, and I believe that 2 minutes will be enough time here. So let's see how this will happen. So guys, this is very good. You can see the price moves according to my scenario and I got a very good profit here. There was a good upward movement and this trade was very profitable, and now you can see my deposit is $1,000. That means my strategy is working quite well. Let me continue. the price bounces down. I'm going to open an up trade for 2 minutes because I think that the price will bounce upward and there is a high point. You can see there is room towards this high point. That is the upward trend on the chart. And as you can understand, after the breakthrough of the level, which is the support level, I think that the price will move up from it. So let me wait and see what will happen. So guys, that was quite excellent. You can see that the price moves according to my scenario and it was able to move up from the support level. I made very good profit here. Let me continue. So here you can see from the resistance level, the price bounced down, and in this situation, I'm going to open an up trade for 2 minutes because I can see to the level there is a big room and earlier the price moved up. So here I can see that the price minimum points are becoming higher and the price has this upside potential. I think that very soon the price will continue moving up towards the resistance level. So let me wait for the results. So are you looking for a broker that you can use in your trading that is quite convenient to use? I advise you to use the Quotex platform and the Pocket Option platform. They're quite easy to use, quite reliable and trustworthy. I always use them a lot. So if you'd like to use them, I left a link under this video. It's a link that you can use to register with a first time bonus. So guys, as you can see here, there was a very big movement and you can see that there was a drop down here and you can see that this was a loss, but it's not a problem and I will not worry about it because I still have more money in my deposit that I can use to trade. And as you notice that most of the trades are profitable so far, so I still have a chance to trade and make more profit. Let me continue. So here I can see from the support level, the price bounced up and right now it's going down. I'm going to open an up trade for 2 minutes because I can see to the previous maximum point, there is a room. I can also notice the price lows are becoming higher. So all these moments let me understand the price has this upside potential and there is a high chance that the price will continue moving higher. And I think that 2 minutes will be enough time for this trade. Let me wait for the results. This is very good, friends. You can see that this trade was quite interesting. I made very good profit here and you can see that my trade was quite profitable and was able to earn back my loss. Let me continue. So here I can see in this trade, the price is moving up and in this situation, I'm going to open another trade up for 2 minutes because I can see this is the general upside potential that is going on. You can see many impulsive green candlesticks and also you can see that we opened a trade on the pullback down and now you can see another green impulsive candlesticks. All of this signals that the price has a very good upside potential. Let me check what will happen very soon here. This is very excellent, friends. You can see that the price moves according to my scenario and gave me a very good profit, and you can understand that this trade was quite good. You can see that now my deposit is about 3,000 actually, so I'm almost hitting my goal for today. Let me find more situations. So here I can see the price moves up from the resistance level and it moved down, but after that it moves up again and it's touching this resistance level. And I'm going to open a trade up for 2 minutes. You can see the impulse of the green candlestick that showed here. The price is squeezing this level line. I think that very soon the price will continue moving up and it will show me very good growth and we'll probably see the breakthrough of the level. Let me wait for the end of this trade. This is quite good. You can see the price broke through the level here and it showed a very good move up. I made very good profit. Let me continue. So here I can see that the price bounces down and I can see the attenuation occurring on the chart. I am going to open an up trade for 2 minutes because I can see to the maximum point there is a room, and earlier I can see that the price impulsively broke through the resistance level and now the price is moving higher than this level line. So the price, you can see, still has this upside potential, and very soon I think that the price will continue moving up due to this upward movement. I'm hoping 2 minutes will be enough time for this in this situation. Let me wait for the end of this trade. So this is very good, friends. You can see that the price impulsively moves up and it showed a very good growth. You can see that this trade was great and it was quite profitable. You can see that now my deposit is about $8,000 and now my trading goal has been completed. I am going to fix this profit and leave the market. So as you saw, the trades really worked out quite well today and I made very good profit. I was able to analyze the market quite well using technical analysis, which I always emphasize is the main analysis to use in all your trades. If you're able to practice a lot and use today's strategies in your trades, within no time you're able to analyze your own markets and make very good profit on your own using technical analysis. If you have any questions, you can comment them down below. So have you joined my private chat in Telegram channel yet? I'm advising you to join this private chat in Telegram channel because it will be quite useful for you in your journey in binary trading. In this private chat, I post a lot about binary trading, especially about news about binary trading. I answer all questions pertaining to binary trading and also post there my trading signals that you can use to make very good profit. If you'd like to join, go under the description box. There is a link to my personal chat. Remember with the code word Money Team, or you can find me in Telegram using my username. So guys, I'm urging you to support my channel. The way you can do this is by subscribing to my channel. You can also leave a like, share my videos, and turn on notifications so you're notified when there's a new video that is posted. So I wish you good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.